In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Vivaldi Browser on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so Vivaldi Browser is one of the best browsers that you can use as both a browser and as well as a productivity tool. To get Vivaldi Browser, go ahead and just open any browser. For instance, I'm on Chrome, and then just search for Vivaldi Browser and hit on enter. Here you can see Vivaldi Browser is here. Go ahead and click on it to open. Now you can see here we have Vivaldi for Windows here. Go ahead and click on it, and this will go ahead and start downloading Vivaldi Browser on your Windows computer. However, if the download won't start, then you can go ahead and click here to download it. And as you can see, now our download is done. Now proceed and click on show folder or open the folder where the browser has been downloaded, and now it's time to install it. To install Vivaldi Browser, go ahead and double click on it, and by double clicking on the file, the installation wizard will launch. Here we go. Go ahead and choose whether you want to share crash report or you can leave it as it is, and then accept and install. This will go ahead and gather all the files from the setup wizard and then begin the installation process. And during the process, you should be able to see our Vivaldi Browser shortcut here. Launch it, just double click on it. Now this will go ahead and open the browser, and you can see it has so many functions. We have home, shopping, travel, all of them in one tool. You can now start searching using the search function here, and here you'll be able to perform your searches just as you normally do on any browser. So that's how you can install and start using Vivaldi Browser on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.